Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix iPad stuck in recovery mode. So there are 4 fixes to it. So the first fix is just force restart your iPad. So what you have to do is just press and release volume up, okay? And then press and release volume down and then hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. And then what you have to do, update through Finder or iTunes. Just connect your iPad to a computer or a MacBook. It doesn't matter. For MacBook you have to open Finder, and for Windows you have to open iTunes, and then select update when prompted. And then you gotta restore your iPad. If update doesn't work, choose restore and then reinstall the iPad OS, and it erases the data basically. And then check the cable and computer. Try different USB cable or USB ports. Use another computer if possible. And if you're still stuck, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.